Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our middle school math kit. Make sure to hit our subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. Math Magic is an activity in which we're trying to find out what is the magic that's happening that gets the results that we always get. Students will draw a card, one student will draw a card, and read the directions one by one to the other students as they figure out an answer. They can use the counters to help them in their understanding of how to write this algebraically. One student will read the directions one at a time. So the first one says, choose a number. I'm going to choose the number 2. And I'm going to represent that number 2 with 2 circles. The next step, multiply by 3. So I'm going to take that 2, multiply by 3. Using my counters, multiplied by 3, and I get a total of 6. So now I have 6 counters. The next step, add 6. So now I'm going to add 6. I'm going to represent those 6 with counters as well. So now I have 6 circles, 6 stars. That will give me 12. The next step, divide by 3. So I'm going to divide each group by 3, so that's going to leave me with 2 circles and 2 stars. But that gives me a total of 4 counters altogether. The next step says subtract the first number. My first number that I started with was the 2. So I'm going to actually take out those 2, and what I'm left with is those 2 stars. And everybody should have gotten the result of 2. So no matter what number everybody selected, they should end up with 2. Now to show that mathematically in an expression, I'm going to say choose a number, which I'm going to represent with the letter n. I'm going to multiply that by 3. So now I have 3n. I'm going to add 6 to that. And this is why I use the stars and the circles separately, so that I can see the 3n and this plus 6. I'm now going to divide that all by 3. So I'm going to divide this by 3 and this by 3. And then I'm finally going to subtract my original number. So I'm going to put parentheses over here, and I'm going to subtract that original number. And doing this equation, no matter what you put into n, should always equal 2. So students can try out all the different cards and see if they can write their algebraic expression to go along with them.